Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. In today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make Ajwaini Tamatar Bhindi, which is nothing but lady's fingers okra or bhindi or vendeka, known differently in different languages, is sauteed and cooked and then finally tossed in ajwain tomato gravy. Isn't that brilliant? It's simple, quick and brilliantly delicious. So without wasting any time, let's just dive right in and start cooking. Now to begin making, first we'll cook the bhindi with a little bit of salt and oil until it's done. So in a pan, I'm just going to add just a little bit of oil. I'm going to add in the sliced bhindi or the okra. I've just cut it into half, not slit it, anything. Just cut it into half, right? Because we want the whole texture of the bhindi for this. I'm going to sprinkle some salt. Salt always sort of releases moisture when you cover the pan. And I'm just going to lightly just stir fry it so that all the bhindi gets coated with the salt and the oil. Okay. I'm going to turn the heat to low and we allow the bhindi to steam cook in the pan for about 3 to 4 minutes. Again, you can sprinkle a little bit of water. So sprinkling water will help it to cook a little bit faster. So add a little bit of water. We'll cover the pan and we'll allow the bhindi to steam cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Until then, we'll just wait. It's been about 4 to 5 minutes and I kept stirring it intermittently while it was cooking, and notice it's got some brown spots. Ensure that you sort of cook it on low to medium heat. When you press it down, you'll know that the bhindi is cooked, or just give it a bite, and if you're not experienced to know. And if the bhindi is cooked, let's just turn off the heat and I'll put it to the side so that we can proceed to make the gravy. So the gravy is also extremely simple, as I told you. So into the same pan, I'm just going to add in some oil, just about a teaspoon. And I'm going to be roasting ajwain, which is carom seeds. It gives a brilliant flavor. Just going to roast that for about a few seconds until it crackles up. To this, I'm going to add in the asafoetida, the hing or the flavour, just a pinch. And I'm going to add in the freshly pureed tomatoes, which are pre-cooked tomatoes. I actually cook the tomatoes in the pressure cooker, peel the skin and then pureed it. So it's really simple. So the tomatoes, when they're pre-cooked, it's great to make gravies and your dinner will just be ready in like 20 minutes. So I'm just going to give it this a stir. A few more important ingredients that we need to have. Since the tomato is pre-cooked, I don't have to cook it for too long. I'm going to add in some chilli powder and some salt, and here's some sugar, because sugar sort of brings down the tartness and blends the taste for the dish. I'm going to add sugar and the last ingredient, which is a special ingredient, and that's the freshly ground cashew paste. So I soaked some cashew nut for about 20 minutes in warm water and ground it into a paste. It's about a tablespoon and a half of cashew nut. That's paste, that's it. And that adds to the richness of this dish. Just going to give it a stir and give it a brisk boil. And to this, I'm going to add in our cooked bhindi. Isn't that really simple? Yes, this dish is extremely simple and you'll be surprised. Just the red chili powder, salt and ajwain actually heightens the flavor of the dish. And the two key ingredients that we added that you must not miss is the sugar and the cashew nut paste. Let's just cover, simmer, and the dish will be ready to be served in just about 2 minutes. Let's open to check how it looks. Oh, brilliant flavors of the ajwain coming through. That's it, the dish is done and I'm just ready to serve it into a bowl. How did you like the dish? Didn't you think it was really simple to make? It took me all of 20 minutes to make, provided you had that tomato puree pre-cooked and ready. Do give this ajwain tomato ki sabzi a try in your kitchen, and I am 100% sure you're gonna love this dish. When you do, don't forget to share your feedback in the comments below because I'll always be looking to hear back from you. So until then, until next time, happy cooking and healthy eating.